pretty good. All right, this is a big new feature, surround vision recorder, a new feature that allows you to watch FAT32. I wonder if I have to format this drive. Okay, let's try this again. Compatible USB drive not found. Now let's see what happens here. This is OTA time. Over the air update. And let's see what this one has in store for us here. So first things first, you go to your home screen here. And from your home screen, you're going to go ahead and press Settings, scroll down, Updates, and Vehicle Updates. Preferences, where the heck is the OTA? Here it is, Updates and History. So right here, install about 15 minutes. I just got this notification today. Watch, record, and save video from your vehicle's cameras. Improvements to the system responsiveness, improvements to camera image clarity, fixes to prevent blank screens and audio dropouts, improvements to the vehicle software update installation. Awesome. So real quick, let's just take a look at camera quality. This is what the camera quality looks like for the left and right blinkers. Now let's look at the various other. Update history, install. Turn vehicle off. Alright, looks like the software update is complete. It will turn off automatically after a few moments. Can I turn it on? Okay. Oh. I guess it's off. Pressing the brake. Software is updated automatically. Let's see. You know what? Yeah, you can probably say the cameras are marginally better. Alright, I'm searching for the video recordings. And I noticed down here at the bottom is a new app. Recordings. Access photo. Okay, allow. You can record trips and other important events from your vehicle's cameras. A recording icon with a large red dot will appear in the status bar to let you know recording is enabled and active. Recordings are stored on a USB drive and can be saved to your computer. To record, you'll need a USB drive that meets the following requirements. 3.0 FAT32 format, minimum 64 gigabytes with 32 gigabytes. Okay, so I just grabbed my Samsung T7 portable SSD. This is a 2 terabyte. This already has just video recordings from recent videos that I've made on it. I'm just going to go ahead and plug it in, drop it down here, and see what happens. So go back into recordings. Compatible drive not found. I've just formatted this drive to FAT32. It is my Samsung T7 2 terabyte model. So it is plugged in, getting a blue light, so it's getting power. Going to recordings, compatible USB drive not found. Now let's see what happens here. There we go. Recordings are paused when this app is open. Drive record. drive to start recording. Once you have recordings, they will be shown here. Let's see what settings are. Surround vision recorder. Awesome. Security recording. USB drive. So it looks like it's working. Okay, here's the recording icon at the top. Let me go ahead and move my truck. Wow, it records every single camera angle that I have. You can play it back. I can scrub through. Okay, there we go.